Hello friends, welcome to Global Studio YouTube channel. In this video we will learn how to model this part in Solidworks. So without any delay, let's jump into the video and learn the trick how to model this part. First I will close this model and I will open the new part. Go to file and click on new and click on part and then click on OK. Take the front plane and create a sketch. After this step, take the circle option and create a circle. Give the diameter 100 mm. Then go to line option and take the center line option. Create two center lines like this. After that, take the circle option again. Create a circle and give the diameter 12 mm. You can follow any dimensions, but I will go with the 12 mm diameter because that is convenient for my model. Take circle option again and create a circle like this. Select these two circles and make this circle as construction geometry. Trim the 12 mm circle like this and then select this half circle. Click on this circular sketch pattern and then give the angle 90 degree and make the number of instances 5. Make this one on reverse direction and then click on OK. Take the trim option and trim this circle like this. Now we have to give the constraints for the other circles. Select the half circle and then select the outside circle. Make it tangent. Follow the same step to other circles like this. As you can see, our sketch is fully constrained now. Remove the construction line option for this. Take the trim option again. Start trimming from here like this. Take the radius option. Give the radius value 2 and then select all the points. Like this, select all the points and then click on OK. Constrain the sketch by giving the radius for this one. Remove the construction option for this also and then take the mirror option. Select all the lines like this and then mirror about this axis. Click on OK. Go to features, take the revolve option, select the axis and give the angle 180 degree and then click on OK. Now half of the portion is over in this modeling. Now there is only few simple steps that you have to follow to complete the full model. Take the top plane option and go to normal view and then create a center line like this and then exit the sketch. Take the mirror option again and then select the face. Under this bodies option, select this body and uncheck this merge solids and then click on OK. Now under this search commands, type move. If the command is not available for you, then you can enable it from here. You can see commands. Enable the commands and then type move. Select the move or copy bodies and then select the body. Under this rotate option, select this center line and then give the angle 90 degree and then click on OK. As you can see guys, here we have created a ball with grooves. Now you can add some colors. Come to the plastic and high gloss. Go to paint option. Add red color here like this. You can add colors like this. We have to add red color here also. And then we have to add blue color for the middle. Come to plastic, click on high gloss and then we will give the blue color for this. Like this you can give colors for the alternative blues. After giving all the colors, we will render the model. Give the white color for these grooves. As you can see guys, here we have given all the colors for this. Just hide the sketch and then click on render tools and then click on final render. If you are not having render tools, just right click here and then come to tabs, then you can enable the render tools from here. Under this render tools, click on final render. Wait for some time, it will take some time to render. So this is how you can model the ball with groove, and I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you guys like this video, then please don't forget to click that subscribe button. Please like and share the video. Thank you for watching. We'll meet again in the next video with new tips and tricks. Bye bye.